Do you love watermelon? Mia? Mm. You're not even coming up for air. Good, good. Yeah. Is that yummy, Mia? Yummy watermelon? Oh, it's okay. I'll wipe it up. No worries. Watermelon. That's right. Watermelon spill. It's okay. Mommy clean it. Want me to get it right now?
Yeah.
You want to wipe it up for me? Thank you. Good job. Good job, babies.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's okay. You can finish eating.
Hot.
That's not hot. That's cold watermelon. That's cold watermelon. Do you like your armband? Little Miss Fun. You've had it on all day. Mmm. Mmm. Is that good? I love the watermelon. Mmm. August 14th, 2011. Oh, watermelon. That's right, piggies.
Hot.
Cold. Cold.
Hot.
Cold.
Mm.
Cold. That's watermelon juice. That's juice. Mm-hmm.
Mama.
Yeah, watermelon.
Yes.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here.
Yes.
More? See more? Mommy has to finish the end pieces. Is that so good? Good girl. And she cleans up after herself. Is that good watermelon? I love you. I love you. You see Daddy out in the backyard getting ready to mow?
Tata.
Yeah, Dada mow.